do we actually train a dog to detect peanuts? Well, number one, no human food. They can't think that the meals that they're checking would be tasty to eat. Number two, snuffle for meals. So we actually feed them about half of their meals in the garden, sprinkling it on the grass or hiding the dog food, and they have to use their nose to find their whole meal, and that strengthens their nose for scent work. Number three, peanut hide and seek. So we make finding peanuts a game. It's like they're on the hunt. So we introduce them to the smell of peanuts. With a young dog, we do it right before we ask them to search for it. But Jean here is now 1 year old. He knows exactly what he's looking for. If he's not looking for his meal, he's looking for peanuts. And he's using his body, so it's fun for him, and he's really engaged with the activity. And he's got it straight away. Now he has to communicate it. So there's a small paw, and we would like his paw to be really obvious. So that's what we're working on him. There we go. Let's try again in a different location. It's a bit harder in the garden, so we'll zoom because he takes a little longer. The girls were walking around with bunches of wild garlic and chives, so there were lots of competing smells. But there he goes, he's got it. And there's that paw. Good boy. Number 4, scent challenges. So they have to now start to pick out peanuts from other smells. You might have seen this footage before. This is with Milan, our 2-year-old dog. And he sometimes shakes his head to indicate no peanuts there. Let's see how Jean gets on.
Tomatoes, tuna, peanut.
Open up the box to let the scent out a little bit. And let's turn the sound on.
Okay, John. Hey, is there something? Is there something? No, who doesn't think that's anything? What about this? John? John? Is there a find it? No. He's just trying to get to you because he knows. He can smell it. Okay, pop it out because he'll get it straight away. John, so find it. Good boy. Good boy. Is it there? Yeah.
Find it. Number 5, hidden scents. So now we're starting to hide peanut scent inside other smells. So this was actually a plain natural yogurt. There was no peanuts in this one, so he's right. He's not lifted his paw. And we gave him a treat to reward him for saying no, effectively. We say good nothing. Otherwise, the dogs want to indicate there's peanuts in everything because they're looking for a treat. They're looking for the reward. So they have to get it right. So here, throwing him off the scent with a fresh cake. And now let's bring back in the yogurt, this time contaminated with peanuts. He knows. Good boy, there's the paw for peanuts. And then from there, they graduate onto full meals, hot meals with all different smells. The trick is we have to know. Yes, this one had peanuts in it. And then it's real life when we don't know. When we've used our human clues, we've read the labels, we've told friends, families and restaurants, and the dog's value is to check that piece of birthday cake before it's eaten, to check the meal before it's eaten. That's where their real value comes in.